Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, The Story of Silk. First 1 to 9 questions are to complete the notes. 1 to 6 questions are about early silk production in China. Around 3000 BC, according to legend, silkworm cocoon fell into emperor's wife dash. Silkworm cocoon, emperor की wife की किसी चीज में गिर गया. Let's see in the paragraph. It just so happened that while she was sipping some tea, one of the cocoons that she had collected landed in the hot tea. So its answer is tea. Next question is, emperor's wife invented a dash to pull out silk fibers. Silk fibers को निकालने के लिए emperor wife ने कुछ invent किया. Let's see in the paragraph. She also devised a special reel to draw the fibers from cocoon into a single thread. So its answer is reel. Next question is, only dash were allowed to produce silk. सिर्फ इन्हीं ही सिल्क प्रोड्यूस करना अलाउड था. Let's see in the paragraph. Originally, silkworm farming was solely restricted to women. So its answer is women. Next question is, only dash were allowed to wear silk. सिल्क पहनने का अधिकार सिर्फ उन्हें ही था. Let's see in the paragraph. Silk quickly grew into a symbol of status, and originally, only royalty were entitled to have clothes made of silk. So its answer is royalty. Next question is, silk used as a form of dash. Silk के किसी और रूप में यूज किया जाने लगा. Let's see in the paragraph. Silk was so prized that it was also used as a unit of currency. So its answer is currency. Next question is, silk used for many purposes. For example, evidence found of dash made from silk around 168 AD. Silk काफी चीजों के लिए यूज किया जाता था. इसके प्रमाण इस चीज से मिले. कोई चीज सिल्क से बनी हुई मिली थी 168 AD में. Let's see in the paragraph. The earliest indication of silk paper being used was discovered in the tomb of a noble who is estimated to have died around 168 AD. So its answer is paper. Next, silk reaches rest of world. Next question is, merchants use Silk Road to take silk westward and bring back dash and precious metals. मर्चेंट्स ने सिल्क को वेस्टवर्ड ले जाने के लिए सिल्क रोड का इस्तेमाल किया और कीमती मेटल्स और ये चीज लेकर आए. Let's see in the paragraph. Demand for this exotic fabric eventually created the lucrative trade route now known as the Silk Road, taking silk westward and bringing gold, silver and wool to the east. So its answer is wool. Next question is, 550 AD hide silkworm eggs in canes and take them to Constantinople. 550 AD में किसी ने सिल्कवर्म एग्स को केन्स में छुपाकर कॉन्स्टेंटिनोपल ले गए. Let's see in the paragraph. According to another legend, monks working for the Byzantine Emperor Justinian smuggled silkworm eggs to Constantinople. So its answer is monks. Next question is, 20th century, dash and other man-made fibers caused decline in silk production. दो चीजों की वजह से सिल्क प्रोडक्शन में गिरावट आ गई. एक man-made fibers and second कौन सा है? Let's see in the paragraph. The 19th century and industrialization saw the downfall of the European silk industry. Cheaper Japanese silk, trade in which was greatly facilitated by the opening of the Suez Canal, was one of the many factors driving the trend. Then in the 20th century, new man-made fibers, such as nylon, so its answer is nylon. Next 10 to 13 questions are true, false and not given. First question is, gold was the most valuable material transported along the Silk Road. Silk Road से ट्रांसपोर्ट करने वाला सबसे ज़्यादा कीमती सामान गोल्ड था. Let's see in the paragraph. It was named the Silk Road after its most precious commodity, which was considered to be worth more than gold. कुछ और था जो गोल्ड से भी ज़्यादा कीमती था. So its answer is false. Next question is, most tradesmen only went along certain sections of the Silk Road. ज्यादातर ट्रेड्समैन सिल्क रोड के कुछ ही हिस्सों से गुजरे थे. Let's see in the paragraph. Few merchants traveled the entire route. पूरे रूट को ट्रैवल करने वाले थोड़े ही मर्चेंट्स थे. So its answer is true. Next question is, the Byzantines spread the practice of silk production across the west. Byzantines ने सिल्क प्रोडक्शन को पूरे वेस्ट में फैलाया. Let's see in the paragraph. The secret of silk making eventually reached the rest of the world via the Byzantine Empire. सिर्फ वेस्ट नहीं बल्कि पूरी दुनिया में फैलाया. So its answer is false. Next question is, silk yarn makes up the majority of silk currently exported from China. ज्यादातर सिल्क जो सिल्क यार्न से बनाया गया उसे करंटली चाइना से एक्सपोर्ट किया गया. Let's see in the paragraph. The Byzantines were as secretive as the Chinese. However, and for many centuries the weaving and trading of silk fabric was a strict imperial monopoly. यहाँ monopoly की बात है, पर वहाँ से एक्सपोर्ट किया या नहीं ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. Therefore its answer is not given. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.